Stilsons.
Stilsons. Are they Stilsons?
I think they're Stilsons.
Are they Stilsons?
No, they're not Stilsons.
What are they?
I don't know. I don't know what they are.
I've always just said plumbers adjustables. That they are.
They're cool.
We need to know, otherwise
Use
we'll
this
look like
handy tool.
idiots.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This evening we are making a daring experiment.
As engines move in time with the signals of watchful men.
So far we've encountered a couple of problems, and that's rounded off bolts. When things like your impact driver, if you happen to have one, don't get them out and furthermore around the head, then you're a bit stuck. And we've done a demo today of how to weld to a bolt with a MIG and remove the bolt.
So this is the bolt in question.
Spicy meatball!
Oh, wait, one sec.
Here in a chemical wax, skeletal
Watch out for the gasket
complicated
surface.
are beginning to take shape.
I can't get in
Here,
there.
where tanks and vessels lie on a thick carpet of mud, as engines move in time with the signals of watchful men,
While it's still hot,
the engineers are dealing with one of
break the WD in there, and it'll draw it in. Well, that's what Grandad said anyway. I don't know if that's true or not. There's a technique here. You've got to go. Oh wow! I didn't need anything at all.
Wow.
Usually the heat actually helps break the sealers,
Yeah.
break the binding.
Oh, that's good. Usually I really struggle to get that done.
That's what we could here.
Yeah.
We know our shit.
Ta-da! And there we go. That bolt is actually really bolted out.
We also had the points pickup cover bolts, they were rounded off as well, and we showed how to get those out. Here's a good tip: if you haven't got an impact driver set, the sort of thing you can buy from Harford's for about 20 quid, a good way of getting old bolts out, or screwdriver bolt, is to apply some pressure and tap whilst you're applying the pressure to get it out to set the heads.
Very, very clever. We're full of tips today, aren't we, Will?
I should hope so. More manual
ones?
bolts.
Lovely.
It's going to come. There we go. Mental, isn't it?
We're replacing all this bit anyway.
Oh no, that's alright, just got to get it out. Someone had fun with this bike, didn't they? Oh, well done. Come out with that.
So if at first you don't succeed with a screwdriver, try an impact driver, and if you don't succeed with an impact driver,
More grips.
go for mole grips.
Well,
Don't succeed with that. Lots of heat.
Yeah, what else fails? There's Thor.
Do that noise again, Alec?